Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion to Google Drive for synced attachments, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page where you want to add your Google Drive files. Click on the empty space or the plus button to add a new block. Select the Embed option from the block menu. In the Embed field, type or paste the link to your Google Drive file. Press Enter to embed the link in your Notion page. Wait a moment for Notion to process the link. Once processed, you will see a preview of your Google Drive file. To sync attachments, ensure your Google Drive file sharing settings are correct. Right-click on the file in Google Drive and select Get Link. Change the sharing settings to anyone with the link if needed. Copy the sharing link from the pop-up. Return to your Notion page and overwrite the existing link with the sharing link. Press Enter again to update the embed. Your Google Drive attachment is now synced with your Notion page. Try accessing the embedded file to ensure it opens correctly. You can now edit the files directly from Google Drive while viewing them in Notion. Repeat these steps for any additional files you want to connect. This completes the process of connecting Notion to Google Drive for synced attachments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.